Hello, hi, welcome back. I'm Suresh Matcha from Matcha Tattoos. So today we are going to talk about how to take a shower with a new tattoo. Many of them having this doubt when taking a bath, they are making a lot of mistakes and that may lead your tattoo to get spoiled. So this is just sounds like a small thing, but it plays a key important role when maintains the new tattoo. Let's get into the topic now. So when we talk about taking a shower with a new tattoo, the first most important mistakes clients do is some of the artists, once they got a tattoo done, they put a plastic wrap around it. Okay, so clients also started thinking that before taking a bath, majorly tattoo should not exposed on the water. Correct? So they think that we'll be put a same cling wrap and then take a bath, but never ever do that. That may spoil your tattoo, because if you put a wrap and take a bath, so when you remove the wrap, it will be so compressed. The tattoo and your skin will get so compressed with the cling wrap. So this may leads you to skin peel off. Due to the skin peel off, there is a chance of tattoo will get faded and it will start to look very patchy and muddy. So never ever do that. So you should avoid the cling wrap before taking a bath. Then you may ask, so what should I need to do if I should not use the cling wrap to avoid the water? So we highly recommend our tattoo protector cream. So when you apply this tattoo protector cream, it will be completely protective from the water. As you all know, Vaseline or Bioline or any other oils, it's not good for tattoo. I have made a lot of videos regarding that and what's the nature and what's the side effects will be happen. You can check out in our video. So I highly recommend you to use this tattoo protector cream. Tattoo protector nature is just take a peanut size of cream, apply on your tattoo as a thin layer, and you just take a bath. You will see a magic. Yes, you will obviously start to see the magic. It will not stay on your tattoo, it will be just moves on. So this will gives you the great output, and this will protect you from the water, and this will not lead any of the infections also. So we highly recommend you to go ahead with the tattoo protector cream. Okay, so one more form of healing is Dermalize Pro. As we all know, if you don't know what is Dermalize Pro, please check out this above link. You can get to know what is Dermalize Pro. So when we talk about this Dermalize Pro, and Dermalize Pro is mainly a wrap. The artist will be put it on you after 24 hours of your new tattoo. So this is not the cling wrap, this is the Medicorma wrap. So this will automatically protect you from the water. You no need to apply anything on the external purpose. But one major drawback with the Dermalize Pro is there is the chances of skin peel off may happen. So for example, if your artist is not a soft-handed person, he went little more depth into the skin, then there is the chances when you remove the Dermalize Pro, it will be come off with the skin. So it may start to look patchy. So that is one of the drawback of the Dermalize Pro. So as we all know, comparing all these things, tattoo protector will give you the best output among all of this. Okay, and then the next important thing is while taking a shower, shall I apply the soap or shampoo? Yes, this is mainly a major doubt for many of the clients, and especially if you are getting a tattoo on your back neck, or especially which is in that thighs or the legs, then it's very hard to protect from the water touching on the soaps or shampoo. So what I suggest is just apply the tattoo protector cream. Okay, then just take a shower and don't apply straight away soap on this particular tattoo area. Okay, and don't put shampoo on the particular tattoo area. You can apply on the other places. If it's fall from the other places, then it's completely fine, no need to worry at all. But don't put straight away on top of the tattoo. That is the important thing. And girls mainly used to ask, how do I take a hair bath if I have the back neck tattoos or the around the neck tattoos? Because obviously they will have a long hair. When they apply the shampoo or something on their head, there is the chances of that will be just to ruin on your tattoo and it may get spoiled. So I just recommend you to apply the hair wash by putting into the front in the wash basin, or else go ahead in the parlor and ask them like this, I'm having a tattoo in my neck, I don't want that get to spoil. You just ask in the parlor for the hair wash, they will be doing it perfectly. Or you can do it on yourself on the wash basin by putting it in your hair front side. In that way you can protect your tattoo from shampoos or any other parabens affecting it. Okay, another next level important thing is, now I took a shower, so how to clean my tattoo? Yes, it's so simple. Many of the people gets complicated by putting a tissue paper or the kitchen towel or any other cotton cloth, by rubbing it and then again tapping it. So don't do any of the stuffs. Okay, it's so just simple. Just take a normal towel as you do it, just toweling it up, no problem at all. That place just leave it. Yes, you hear me, like that place just leave it, don't do anything, just other places clean it. If you have a hair dryer, okay, just blow it without heat, just the air blow, just do the air blow on top of the tattoo, it will be heals perfectly. It smooths your tattoo. You'll feel so good when you're doing it, because I have the experience of done it on my own tattoo. When you do it, you'll be feel kind of smoothing, that burning sensation you feel like reducing, you feel so good. So try to do that, but don't put the heat on it when you do it, only air blow, don't put heat blow, because it will make more irritation if you put the heat dryer. So just put the air blow and apply on it. Or if you don't have the air blow or the heat dryer, then just take a tissue paper, normal tissue paper, face tissue, anything is fine, just tap it. That's completely okay. Never rub it, no need to go for any special cotton cloths or any special kitchen towels or any other towels, nothing is required. Just take a normal tissue paper, just tap it. That's completely okay to be go ahead. So these are all the important things to take care while taking the shower with the new tattoo. So once again, I will summarize this 3 important things. Never put a plastic wrap while taking a bath, because artists do put a plastic wrap. So many of the clients thinks that we'll put a plastic wrap then take a bath, because that will protect from the tattoo. Because when we get any wound or something, we are habituated to do that, right? So we can't help it in that scenario, but tattoo is completely different from the wound, as we all know. So just apply the tattoo protector cream and take a bath. That will protect you from the water completely. No need to worry at all. And then the second step is, what you need to do, just apply a thin layer of the tattoo protector cream, not so much. And third step is, don't put soap or shampoo on top of your tattoo, because that may affect your tattoo and it may get infected. So just other places are fine, but straight away don't apply there. And then the fourth important step is, while cleaning it up, use a blow dryer or else just a cotton or tissue. Normal tissue is fine, just tap it. So I hope you guys liked it. These are all the important things to follow when you get a new tattoo. I think your friends or your relatives might have got many of these doubts. You can share it to them, which may help you more. And if you guys have any other perception, you can comment it. We are here to help you out. And if you have any other questions also, just please go ahead and comment us. We are just going through and we'll give you the answers in our next video. And we have attached our social media links in the descriptions. You guys can go through, and we have a lot of fun in the social media. Don't miss it. If you guys have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe it and click the bell icon. We are making a video on a daily basis regarding tattoos and the piercings and the tattoo designs. So you'll be get a lot of information from us. You'll never regret. So I'm signing off, Suresh Machu. Don't die nude.